In Fort Bend County, south of Phoenix, it's a race against time. Harvey City, Texas, a frantic run back with the CRNA. First struggle and
Katie got there Friday night. I got there Saturday morning. We were not able to pass through roads until Monday during daylight. And that's when I left. She stayed on. And then by Wednesday, I would say most of the other farther away areas were able to drive.
So I came in, my shift should have started Friday night, which it did. And knowing that it was going to be weather was going to be pretty rough, we kind of took all of our provisions, blow-up mattress, food, our survival kit with us. And Meg and I ended up camping out in a car room.
We kept asking each other, what's today?
Yeah. So all day Saturday, all day Sunday, all day Monday, and Friday night.
Yeah. And we would take turns, 12 on, 12 off. Like I said, we weren't getting constant phone calls. It wasn't crazy.
People weren't really able to get into our hospitals. And the type of cases that we were doing during that time were more kiddos that were already in the hospital, that were acutely decompensating, that needed more emergent type of surgeries.
Being on the inside, seeing the text messages and the emails and all the different alerts that we had on our phones and our social media about our coworkers and our friends and their families. And that was really challenging to not be out there. And just like survivor's guilt, it's like that feeling that, wow, we made it out with no scrapes or cuts, but look at everybody else. Some people are really devastated. Sitting on the roof of their house waiting for rescue.
Like Meg was saying, I feel like that survivor's guilt. I feel like nothing has happened to us and I want to do whatever I can. And even when we were at the hospital, the same thing. I felt like all these people were like, thank you so much for staying and helping, but I wanted to be like, please stop thanking me. Like, I feel like I'm doing a very small part when your home you don't have a home anymore.
Yeah, so that part's tough. As things are going back to normal, we're trying to, everyone's asking, how are you? And it's not that normal, how are you? Like, how's your day? It's like, no, really, like, how are you? How's your family? And you kind of pause and you wait and you're like, I hope they say they're okay, because you don't know. And being part of the medical profession, I think it's, you have a helpful heart, but I think you take on a lot of those feelings too.
It's unfortunate because I feel like right now, just everywhere is so split and divided. But if you come to Houston right now, it's like
we're all in it together.
I know, I got the chills thinking about it. It's like it's incredible. I mean, for such a large city, everyone seems to be caring for the most part.